recommend करूँगी.
Yeah, because it's black and
It's not like, no, it's not like that. It's for men. It is not like that. You can use beetroot as well. But आपके open, yes, beetroot.
Okay, this is the first time I'm seeing something made out of beetroot.
I have even papaya and goat milk as well.
That's amazing.
This is papaya with goat milk, and I have menthol soap also. I have 9 variants of soaps right now.
9 variants. How do you get the time to make so much like at home? हर साइज की वैरायटी आई थिंक सारे फ्रूट्स को आपने लेके बनाते हैं.
जी बिल्कुल, मैंने सारे फ्रूट्स को लेके बनाया है. मेरे पास रोज भी है, मेरे पास पोटैटो भी है. आप यकीन नहीं करोगे, बस पोटैटो भी है.
Okay, so guys, I don't know what you all are gonna buy, but you can't miss out this potato soap. This is the first time मैंने देखा है potato soap. इसकी खास बात क्या है? Like how is it
ये दिस
effective?
इज एंटी फ्रेकल्स एंड एंटी स्कार सोप है. ये हमारा आपके फेस पे ब्लैक मार्क्स आ जाते हैं, फ्रेकल्स मार्क्स आते हैं, जो पिंपल्स के आउट मार्क्स रह जाते हैं स्किन पे, ये उसके लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा फायदेमंद है. बहुत जल्दी रिजल्ट देता है. आई हैव पेशेंट्स, अपने क्लाइंट्स को बोलूँगी, पेशेंट्स नहीं बोलूँगी उनको फेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा मार्क्स थे. विद इन 15 days they were gone. उन्होंने 6 months का कोर्स किया, 1 year का कोर्स किया, इंटेक्स लिए, बट नहीं गए. मेरे सोप से गारंटीड रिजल्ट गए उनके.
So that's amazing guys. मैं तो बोलता हूँ आप मेरे लिए एक पैक कर ही दो. जो हम निजरा एग्जीबिशन के स्टॉल नंबर 18 पे है एंड यहाँ हमारे साथ है दफीना ज्वेलर्स के ओनर्स. तो लेट अस टेक सम इंट्रोडक्शन एंड इनके प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जानते हैं. सो कभी
Yes, we are silver and we also do provide carat diamonds like IGI certified, and all our products are certified and we are now offering, for today we are offering offers on silver jewelry. We are offering 25% discount, and on gold and diamond jewelry we are offering.
Okay, so on silver you're offering 25% discount on all the jewelry that's available here, and on gold and diamond jewelry no making charges. So guys, do visit stall number 18 and यहाँ से आप ले सकते हैं ओरिजिनल और सिल्वर ज्वेलरी विद 65 hallmark. Thank you for hallmark. Thank you.
We also do provide home visits for jewelry call us and we can arrange the appointment.
Can you also let people know about your Instagram page? वहाँ से कुछ order कर सकते हैं.
Surely we do have all our designs on our Instagram page, Dafina Jewelry, and you can
Okay, thank you so much and wish you all the best for the future and happy Ramadan. So I'm back at Didra exhibition and currently हम खड़े हैं stall number 21 पे. तो यहाँ पे ये stall shared है between Blumenthal and Adora. तो हम यहाँ की owners से बात करेंगे थोड़ा. आप लोग आपका introduction दे सकते हैं?
Hi, my name is Sayani and I own the brand called Blumenthal. We manufacture cotton-based nightwear and yeah, pure cotton nightwear.
So can you show us some of your nightwear?
We have all pajama sets, full pajamas, full sleeve shirts. So basically what we do is concentrate on our prints and the materials. The material is purely cotton, and the prints are really differently quirky at the same time. They're stylish and they're made for all age groups.
So this entire design that you have done designs because it's very appealing to the youth and बहुत ही unique concept है. I've never seen some nightwears like this. Does it come in like male and female or even like both can wear?
Both can wear. As of now, our range is only for ladies. Range is from the size small to double XL, but obviously we customize for children as well as women.
So if like guys like me want to shop, so we can go to Instagram page and order. We have like home delivery system.
Definitely.
So आपका Instagram page के बारे में थोड़ा बताएंगे?
We have our Instagram page. We're still building on it because it's supposed to launch our brand 8 days from now. But because of Isra, we came in earlier. And that's why the name of the page is Blumenthal without any space, obviously. And yeah, you can always come on our website, send us an DM and we can customize anything.
Okay, so we have customization facility also available. So everyone who's listening, there are amazing nightwears for ladies at stall number 21 by Blumenthal. So don't forget to check it out today. Moving on to Adora, आप आपका थोड़ा introduction दे सकते हैं please?
Hi, my name is Maria Khalid, like it says, and I deal in bed sheets and we are cotton bed sheets. They are very good, huge king size bed sheets. The colors don't fade. They are very long lasting, and I also deal in kurta fabrics, which are very summer friendly. So they are good. You know, you can wear them in summers and style them according to yourself. I have a lot of variety in bed sheets, and these are all the way from Jaipur, and they are very long lasting, and you can use them for on and on.
So I must say you have some amazing designs. Anybody is looking up to revamp their whole bedroom, they can come and take your bed sheet.
And especially for Nidra, we have an offer going on. As it is 950 for one bed sheet, but now we have 1600 for two.
So that's great. As you all heard, guys, initially the price was 950 for one, but now they're giving 1600 here, two bed sheets. So don't forget to check it out and visit stall number 21. And you can also contact them on Instagram for orders.
Yeah, our Instagram is still.
Number 5 pay, you're getting this amazing collection of linen.
Yeah, linen, Indo-Western, yeah, you get sets also, kurta sets also, and if you're looking for tunics also and western wear, bottom wear, we have each and everything. We are basically manufacturers and we have our own, we started our own brand. So you guys can just come and check out our dresses and each and everything.
So guys, there's another manufacturer in the house at Nidra Exhibition at stall number 5, जो खुद की clothes manufacture design करते हैं at very reasonable rates. So do check them out once. इनके पूरे latest trends हैं कुर्तास के, कुर्तीस के and Indo-Western के. And मुझे एक चीज पूछना था, आपने जो मास्क पहना वो भी आपके ब्रांड का है. So that's amazing. Do check out their collection and visit their stall at stall number 5. आपको कोई Instagram page है?
Yeah, it's engo.store.
engo.store. यहाँ पे हम नीचे इसको mention करेंगे. You can even follow it and their website. So that's right here. और there's even a scan, which you hopefully अगर आप scan कर सके तो. So do visit their stall at stall number 5 only at Nidra Exhibition. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's a
But would you like to show some of your most hot selling pieces? Oh, that's great. This is amazing.
This is how it comes with the dhoti.
Oh, so this one is with the dhoti.
Yeah, this comes with the dhoti.
I'm literally a fan of this.
This is one of our best sellers. This is one of our best sellers. It's very beautiful. I mean, this is 100% cotton. The dupatta has a beautiful digital printing on it and a very comfortable bottom. As you can see, I'll just open it for you guys so you can have a closer look. Thank you so much. That's so nice. It's very comfortable, and we have kept in mind that our collection is summer collection, so the fabrics and everything should be quite comfortable for customers to wear. Quality is our thing. Quality is our thing. We don't compromise with quality. The material and the fabric.
So Ramzan, वैसे भी summers में आ रहा है. If you want to be fasting in comfort, so do visit Engo. Thank you so much. So Assalamu alaikum, we are back again and we are at another store right now at Winka 1, and with us is store number 3 and 4, Miss Arzeen. So why don't you introduce yourself a little bit?
So basically, my store numbers 3 and 4. My name is Arzeen, and I have all designer suits in all pure material, and we have Pakistani as well as Indian outfits, 3-piece attire, and I'll just showcase some of my pieces to you.
Yeah, sure, why not? So we have this beautiful, this is your own design,
Yeah.
exclusively at Arzeen.
Facial work done, full 3-piece suit, fully done. Something for Eid special, little bling. This is a beautiful Garara suit. Very pretty it is. Subtle as well as bling it is. It's very nice with double bells. Also, there's an offer for today. If you shop today at Arzeen, shop stall number 3 and 4, you get flat 30% off, provided you have your birthday in this coming month. So you need to just show your Aadhaar card, PAN card or license, whatever it is, and you get flat 30% off on the entire store.
So basically यहाँ Arzeen पे एक स्पेशल ऑफर चल रहा है कि अगर इस महीने यानी रमज़ान के महीने में किसी का भी बर्थडे आता है तो उनको फ्लैट 30% ऑफ मिलेगा उनके एक्सक्लूसिव डिजाइनर स्टोर से। आप उन्हें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं स्टॉल नंबर 3 and 4। So you can get here and show your Aadhaar card या PAN card, basically एक birth proof, and you can get flat 30% off at Arzeen at stall number 3 and 4. Thank you so much, Arzeen. But I want to know something more about you. You're a designer. Where are you based and where are you operating from?
So we are based in Mumbai itself, and I have a fabric store in Santa Cruz. So we do have a store as well, and I keep exhibiting. And inshallah, with everything and each and every Nidra exhibitions, I'll be there for sure.
Thank you so much, means a lot, and we are really honored to have you here. You're an inspiration to a lot of women entrepreneurs who started their own businesses, and we wish you all the best for the future. And as you heard from Arzeen herself that she's based in Mumbai, and she has her own store in Santa Cruz, so all you Mumbaikars out there who are looking to purchase anything for their wives, for their girlfriends, for their mothers, have to definitely visit her store in Santa Cruz. What is your Insta ID? Can we get that so our fans can follow you?
It is Makeup by Arzeen. Also, you could follow me on Arzeen.
Thank you so much, Arzeen, and wish you all the best for the future. Thank you and happy Ramadan. On कर रहे हैं हमारे next stall की तरफ, which is stall number 8. So can you tell us a little about yourself and what product are you selling?
My name is Hina and these are my Blossom chocolates, luxurious chocolates and handmade, and it's like customized chocolate. So you can make it like your feeling, what you want, which of your flavor, and we make it. And we provide all over India free delivery. And I have a huge range of like dates chocolates. Yeah, most favorite, Dubai's favorite dates chocolates here. Some of the bars, chocolate bars, and these are the raspberry dates chocolates.
Oh, this is raspberry.
Yeah.
Okay, that's amazing. So what is the meaning behind this name, Blossom chocolates?
It's delicious.
Okay, so Blossom is language for it.
तो उस कल्चर को हम रिप्रेजेंट
Just like the name and you put it. So that's great. I can see you have some really amazing packages. अगर किसी को रमजान या ईद के लिए शॉपिंग करना है तो ऐसे अगर गिफ्ट हैम्पर्स है वो कितने के आप प्रोवाइड करते हैं?
ये 1000 से स्टार्टिंग है.
Okay, that's great. So I can order it online and you're giving free delivery all over India. Oh, that's great. So guys, do visit Blossom Chocolates. They have some amazing offers for Ramzan and Eid, and their packaging is amazing. So if you're looking out to gift anything during Ramzan and Eid to your loved ones, family and friends, you can purchase something from Blossom Chocolates. They also have their menu and their Instagram page,
Which is Blossom Chocolates.
Blossom
Instagram
Chocolates.
and Facebook.
So do visit guys, and you can even order online. They are giving free delivery, and don't forget to visit stall number 8 and purchase some chocolates today. Thank you.
They're not having harmful chemicals.
So you can say in one way they are not organic also.
Exactly. Chemicals are not only harmful, they are also good chemicals as well in the market, which people are not aware about.
So that's one thing is good that it can be used for all skin types. Correct?
Exactly. We have products for acne, we have products for brightening, we have products which is, you know, like for your pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, anti-aging. So it is like slowing your aging. So it's like multiple things are available with us. You need to first come, try, talk with us. It's not necessary to purchase, but at least come and have a word with us. You will get some knowledge, I guess, right? But talking and communicating will only provide you a knowledge. It won't cost you anything.
That's actually true. So guys,
We are only not having skincare products, we are having organizers for them so that you can keep inside the skincare product.
that's
Please
great.
do
It's
see
all
that.
in one stall here for all your
Exactly.
beauty care needs, right?
Exactly.
So guys, don't forget, do visit stall number 10 and get amazing offers from K Beauty products. Thank you. गाइस अभी मैं यहाँ पे अपनी मित्रा एग्जीबिशन के सबसे फेवरेट स्टॉल पे आया हूँ जो है स्वीट स्टॉल एंड दैट स्टॉल नंबर 26. आप मैम थोड़ा आपका इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे तो
I'm Bahar. This chocolate venture is started not by me, but my mother-in-law, who is standing right there. We have followed her passion. She is the one who started this thing. She is making it, and we are just here marketing it, I will say. And moving through the extent of the reviews which we have got right now is very nice. People are loving what they are eating. We are giving out fried rice, which has rasmalai, chili guava, pan bun, and creamy caramel only for 30 rupees.
सच्ची में यहाँ पे मेहनत कोई कर रहा है और नाम कोई और कमा रहा है, as you can see, है ना? हाँ, आपकी मार्केटिंग कर रहे तो नाम उनका हो रहा है, मेहनत आपने की है।
नाम हमारा नहीं है, उनका ही है, उनके पोते का है।
अच्छा, अब पोते का मतलब किसी और थर्ड पार्टी का नाम है जो यहाँ पे है नहीं फिलहाल। It's a joint family venture बोलेंगे एक तरीके से। So I can really see you have some amazing packages and all, and I think मैंने last time भी आपसे खरीदा था जो हमारी आपकी पान वाली थी, आप मुझे थोड़ा दिखा सकते हैं? Okay, so guys, I've literally tried this myself, and ये उनका स्पेशल पान वाला चॉकलेट है, चॉकलेट बोला जाएगा, पान बॉल्स है, and it's absolutely delicious. So अगर आप रमजान में कुछ सोच रहे हैं कुछ गिफ्टिंग करने के लिए तो definitely come to Zykalicious at stall number 26. They have amazing collection of chocolate sweets and pan. Oh my god, I have to try this. Lovely. मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है, मुझे बुला भी नहीं जा रहा है, इतना अच्छा है। हमें रुकन दिल का पान के अंदर पूरा कोकोनट है and it's really delicious. So guys, do visit store number 26 and you can even contact Zykalicious at their Instagram page जो है Zykalicious. So we are going to put the name down. Do follow them, like them and purchase from them for Ramzan shopping. Thank you so much. Thank you. Anybody else? Thank you so much for it. Assalamualaikum everyone. I want to introduce to you हमारे sponsor निद्रा एग्जीबिशन के अरेबियन अबाया। ये हमारा स्टॉल लगा है स्टॉल नंबर 1 और 2 रूम का 1 में। आप सारी लेडीज जो अबाया की दीवानी है तो आप आ सकते हैं स्टॉल नंबर 1 और 2 पे और निद्रा अरेबियन अबाया से। सर मैंने सुना है कि आप ऑल द वे गुजरात से आए हैं, तो आप आपके बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हैं?
हाय ऑल, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम अल्तमश शेख है, मैं गुजरात अहमदाबाद से आया हूँ। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरी ब्रांड का नाम अरेबियन अबाया है। मैं एक मैन्युफैक्चर यूनिट वाला हूँ, मेरा खुद का फैक्ट्री चल रहा है इन अहमदाबाद में। ऑल वर्ल्ड वाइज मैं अबाया नकाब हिजाब की डील करता हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। और थैंक यू सो मच मेरे को निद्रा फैमिलीज ने इन्वाइट किया, जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी किया और मेरे को यहाँ पर इन्वाइट किया, इसका बहुत
सो ये सच है कि आपको किंग ऑफ द अबाया बोलते हैं क्योंकि अरेबियन अबाया इज द लार्जेस्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर ऑफ अबाया इन इंडिया। तो उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहिए?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये अरेबियन अबाया इंडियाज़ लीडिंग अबाया ब्रांड है। ये मेरा अकेले का ब्रांड नहीं है, आप सभी के सपोर्ट से एक मैंने ब्रांड बनाया हुआ है। किंग्स अबाया मुझे इसलिए बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि मैं इन इंडिया के अंदर एक रिजनेबल प्राइस में इम्पोर्टेड नीला फैब्रिक के अंदर बिजनेस करता हूँ और एक रिजनेबल प्राइस में देता हूँ। इसलिए मुझे कस्टमर सेटिस्फिकेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है और मुझे क्लाइंट डायरीज बहुत अच्छे से अच्छा मिलता है, तभी आज लोग मुझे किंग्स अबाया बोलते हैं।
आप किंग अबाया बोलते हैं क्योंकि आपका फैब्रिक भी निद्रा है एंड आप निद्रा एग्जीबिशन में फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं, तो थैंक यू सो मच, विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। बट जाने से पहले मैं आपसे और थोड़ा अबायास के बारे में जानना चाहूँगा कि आपकी क्या रेंजेस है अबायास के अंदर एंड आप निद्रा एग्जीबिशन में क्या ऑफर दे रहे हैं?
ये सर मैं ज़रूर आपको बता दूँगा। ये शब्द जो नीला फैब्रिक है, ये दुबई नीला फैब्रिक पे मैं काम करता हूँ। ये मैं खुद डिज़ाइन मेक करता हूँ, ये मेरा खुद का मैन्युफैक्चर यूनिट से मैं डिज़ाइन मेक करता हूँ, मैं किसी का कॉपी नहीं करता।
और इसका क्या प्राइस रहेगा सर अगर कोई खरीदना चाहते हैं?
इसका प्राइस ओनली 2000 रुपीज़ है।
और कुछ बता दीजिए सर।
ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाला रहेगा जो मुंबई में फ्री वाले बहुत गुड चलते हैं। ये दुबई मटेरियल पे ये भी रहेगा, सबको इम्पोर्टेंट मटेरियल पे मैं काम करता हूँ। इसका प्राइस रहेगा 1800। ये हैंडवर्क आएगा पूरा, ये भी दुबई मटेरियल का रहेगा, बैक साइड में हैंडवर्क रहेगा। इसका प्राइस रहेगा 2500।
Okay, that's amazing.
ये सब कुछ मेरे खुद की डिजाइन में किया हुआ है, ये भी इम्पोर्टेड फैब्रिक पे काम किया हुआ है। इसका प्राइस रहेगा 2200।
तो लेडीज आप जान सकते हैं कि आपको कहीं और जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज डायरेक्टली तो मैन्युफैक्चरर ऑफ बायर्स इन इंडिया।
दूसरा ऑफर्स है जैकलिन हिल के पैलेट पर, न्यूड पैलेट पर, ब्यूटी ग्लेज पैलेट पर, न्यूड शेड पैलेट पर, ये सारी चीजों पर 30% ऑफ है, तो आप लोग आकर प्लीज ले सकते हो। थैंक यू।
ये मेंस लोग के लिए भी मिलता है क्या?
यस, अगर आपको चाहिए तो जरूर मिलेगा, स्पेशल मैं खुद कर दूंगी।
Thank you so much. Thank you.